Hello everyone. Today in class 7th computer we will revise some tags that we have learned in class 6th. Heading tags that are used to give the heading in a HTML. There are 6 level of headings in HTML that can be given using H1 to H6. And heading tag H1 is the largest side and H6 is the smallest text size in HTML. Some important tags also HTML that is used to give the information to the browser that this web page is a HTML document. Head, this is used to contain the title. To contain the title, a head tag is used. Title, this tag is used to give the title of the document. And rest of the thing in HTML you will write down in the body. Like I have shown you the one example. Then paragraph tag. This tag is used to display the tags in a paragraph format. It is a container element. We have learned about the elements. There are two kind of elements in HTML. Container element and empty element. Container element contain both the tags like here P starting tag and ending tag. And we have learned about the empty element also like BR that is used to break the line, and it is an empty tag. It contains only starting tag or on tag. Now in class 6 we have learned attributes of the element. So here align is the attributes of the element P. It have the various values like you can align the text or a paragraph in center or right or left or justify. Now next tag is center tag that is used to display the text in the center of the page or a table. It is again container element. It contains both the tags on and off tags. Like example, if you want to use the center tag center, then whatever you want to display write down inside between and then close center tag. Now BR tag, this tag is used to break the line in HTML. It is like a enter key of a keyboard. When you press the enter key in a keyboard, what happens? Your cursor will go to the next line. Same thing, if you enter the BR, write down the BR in HTML, then it will display the contents from the next line. It is an empty element. It means it contains only on tag. It doesn't have off tag. Like example BR. Then different kind of tags. HR we have learned that is used to draw the horizontal line in a web page. B that is used to display the text in a bold format. I that is italic. U that is underline, and font that is help us to beautify the text in HTML document using its various attributes. Its attributes are like face. Face you can give the value like in your MS Word you can giving it, or in PowerPoint presentation you can select different kind of format. Like here in MS Word, these are the options of the face. You can choose any one of these options to display the text in a face. I will show you the example also how to write down. So out of these options you can choose any option in the face attribute. Then size attribute, it is used to change the size of a font. Then color, you can choose the color according to yourself. Then one more tag attribute you have learned in body tag, that is BG color or background color. This is used to display the colorful web page. Like I will show you the example how to use these tags in one program. This is our HTML program. All of you learn in 6. HTML we write down starting HTML tag, then head, then title. Like I have written here title first, so it will display the first. Then head, then this BJ color. It is an attribute of body tag. If you write down the red, then your web page, whole web page is displayed in a red color. Then this is how to use a paragraph P align center. So this paragraph will display in a center format. Then font, we have used font here, Bookman old style. So it will display the font in this format. Then here size 26. So it will display the font 26 size. Then color, here I have written green. So it will display the text in a green format. Same thing I have used B, that is your for bold, I for italic, U for underline. Remember the ordering, if you using more than one tag together, like here I am using 3 tags B, I and U. So whatever the last tag, that will be end first. So here it should be /bu, then here /I, and then /b. So remember the ordering. Here last tag is U, that is underline, so we will end first U. Then I, so we'll put and I, and at the last, first we have started bold, so at the last we will end the bold. It is a first in, last out, that format. So if we save this and open this, how to save this, you can click on the save as, then you can select the folder location where you want to save. Like I have choose the desktop and write down your web page, that is your, you can write down program also, anything, that is up to you. Then you will give the extension .html or .htm. Remember, in HTML document always give the option .html or .htm. If your desktop is not showing here, you can choose like here from different disks, local disks, any disks you can choose. So if you click on the save, it will be saved. You want to edit it and save it. Now we'll open this. We'll open this using the web browser. Like here, this is my web page. If I open it, this is your web page display inside the web browser. Here in Windows, we have written in bold, italic and underline format, so it is displaying in this format. And we have choose a BJ color, that is your red, so it will display in red color. And we have written the paragraph from center, align center, so it will display the text in the center format. So these are the tags you have learned in class 6. Now we will learn about, from the class 7th, we will learn different kind of list, ordered list, unordered list in HTML. So write down or revise this from class 6 if you have the notes. Next time we will start from class 7th HTML. Thank you.